Welcome to Now Leo Know, where curiosity roars loud. Alright, my crew, here's a wild fact for you. Crocodiles are more closely related to birds than they are to lizards. Yup, you heard that right. Crocs and birds share a deep ancient bond that's hidden under all those scales and feathers. Stick with me, because this connection is way cooler than you might think. Let's break it down. Let's rewind to about 250 million years ago. Earth was ruled by archosaurs, giant ancient reptiles. These creatures are the ancestors of both crocodiles and birds. The archosaurs split into two major branches. One branch led to dinosaurs, and the other? It gave us crocs and birds. So, believe it or not, the croc lurking in the water and the bird flying above you both trace their roots back to this ancient family. It's like finding out your pet bird and that scary croc are actually distant cousins. Now hold on, it gets even crazier. Let's talk about their feet. Yeah, sounds random, right? But bear with me. Crocs and birds have a similar ankle structure, something lizards don't have. This unique trait helps them move in ways that are perfect for their environments. Birds need it for landing and flying, while crocs use it to sprint or swim. And get this, crocodiles and birds both have a 4-chambered heart, while lizards only have 3. That extra chamber makes a big difference in how efficiently blood flows and oxygen gets to their muscles. It's one of the reasons crocs and birds can do what they do, whether it's chasing down prey or soaring through the sky. Ever notice how both crocs and birds seem to have clear vision, even underwater or in flight? That's because they share a special protective membrane called the nictitating membrane. It acts like an extra eyelid that keeps their eyes safe while they're in high-action environments. It's something you won't see in lizards, making crocs and birds even more alike. Pretty cool, right? But it doesn't stop there. Crocs and birds also share some fascinating behaviors. Both crocodiles and birds love to bask in the sun. Why? To regulate their body temperature. It's a key trait of cold-blooded creatures, and it helps both of them stay active and healthy. Birds on a branch, crocs on a riverbank, same idea. And get this, crocodiles are surprisingly good parents. They protect their eggs and even help their babies get to the water after they hatch. Sounds like something you'd expect from a bird, right? But crocs do it too. That kind of care is rare in reptiles, and it shows that crocs and birds have a lot in common when it comes to survival. So, what happened next? Well, after they split from their common ancestor, birds evolved flight, developing wings and hollow bones. Crocs, however, stayed on land and in the water, evolving into the powerful predators we know today. But here's the kicker. Despite all the changes, both crocs and birds have remained pretty close to their ancient roots. Crocodiles are living fossils, meaning they haven't changed much over millions of years, while birds took off in a completely different direction. But at their core, they're still related. Why should we care about all of this? Well, by studying both crocs and birds, scientists are learning more about how flight evolved. They're looking at how these creatures breathe, how they move, and how their hearts work. Crocs are helping researchers unlock secrets about the past, like how the first birds might have started flying. Next time you see a croc or a bird, remember, they're not just animals from different worlds. They share a surprising deep connection that stretches back to the time of the dinosaurs. Pretty amazing, right? If you enjoyed this mind-blowing fact, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more trivia, and drop a comment with any other animal connections you want to learn about. Until next time, stay curious, my crew!